Weight loss objectives can be achieved over a period of time if you eat a low-calorie, high-nutrition diet and exercise. Ginger tea plays that role of low-calorie nutrition for weight loss. It doesn't directly reduce weight but indirectly helps in the overall weight loss process. Let us take a closer look at how ginger helps with weight loss. Ginger improves metabolism. A study done on overweight men found that ginger helped them to stay fuller for longer. This reduced their food intake, resulting in weight loss. A compound called Gingerol in ginger speeds up digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is an important aspect of the weight loss process. So, taking ginger tea for weight loss makes a lot of sense. In addition to weight loss, ginger also helps in cardiovascular health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Obesity causes oxidative stresses leading to inflammation. Ginger counters these stresses and subsides the inflammation. When you make ginger tea, add lemon to it. Lemon is an appetite suppressant, so you will eat less. Making ginger lemon tea for weight loss is simple and quick. Wash, clean and cut an inch of ginger root into small pieces. Toss them into 2 cups of boiling water and let it simmer for 5 minutes or until the water level reduces to half. Strain and pour the tea in a cup and let it cool down to acceptable temperatures to drink. Add juice of half a lemon to it and mix well. Enjoy taking sips of this warm ginger lemon tea to lose weight. Do it twice daily. You can also make ginger tea from dried ginger powder. Another way to consume ginger is to extract juice from fresh ginger root and consume it with equal volume of honey. Mix 1 teaspoon of ginger juice with 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric powder and eat it. In addition to your daily ginger tea, eat healthy food, control your overall daily food intake and exercise for at least 45 minutes daily. Jogging or brisk walking is the best way to begin your exercise routine. In conclusion, ginger tea can help you with fast weight loss if supported with other weight loss activities. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.